How to fix your device is not compatible with this version error on Play Store. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skytech Studio. If you're frequently getting this error while trying to download any apps from the Play Store, then it's pretty quick and easy to fix. Let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to fix the problem, first thing first, simply go and press and hold the Play Store from your device and simply go and tap on App Info. Now, once you're here inside your Play Store App Info, you just need to tap on Clear Data from here, the bottom right, and you just need to select the Clear Cache. And once you have Clear Cache, tap on OK. And once you have cleared cache, you just need to tap on Force Stop at the bottom right here and force stop the application. Then go ahead and tap on Clear All Data at the bottom right here. And then simply go ahead and tap on Delete All Data. This will actually delete all the data and cache from the apps, and you just need to open up the Play Store and try to download the app again. Most likely your problem is going to be solved. But if in any case, if you still have the problem, you can go to the profile icon at the top right and then tap on Settings right over here, and from here just need to tap on About and then scroll down and you'll get to see the Update Play Store option. You just need to tap on this one, and if you found any pending update, update your Play Store as soon as possible. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.